In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp efficiently and effectively, whether you're looking to back up your tasks or just need to share data outside of ClickUp. Exporting your workspace is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can do this with ease. First things first, let's head over to ClickUp's official website. If you're already familiar with the ClickUp interface, this will be a walk in the park. Open your favorite web browser and type clickup.com in the address bar, or if you prefer, you can simply click on the link provided in the description below. Once the page loads, you're only a few clicks away from starting this process. Next, let's log into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on Log In. Enter your username and password and click Sign In. If you use a password manager, now's the perfect time to take advantage of that handy tool, ensuring your credentials are entered quickly and securely. Once logged in, direct your attention to the ClickUp homepage where you should see your workspace. For this tutorial, let's focus on your primary workspace that's visible when you first log in, which typically shows up under the Home tab. From here, we're going to locate the specific space where the data you want to export resides. Now click on the space. This refers to the overarching category that houses various lists or tasks within your ClickUp setup. Spaces are pivotal because they organize and segregate different areas of work, making them easier to manage. Within your workspace, hover over the appropriate space that contains your desired information for export. Once you find it, go ahead and click into that space. As we dive deeper, you'll want to customize this view to better suit your export needs. You'll find the Customize button within the space. It's typically located in the toolbar at the top, so keep an eye out for it as you navigate your space. Clicking on this option gives you more refined control over what exactly you want to export, so take advantage of any settings or filters you might want to adjust for optimal results. Finally, let's get to the main event. In the very same space, locate the option labeled Export View. By selecting this, you'll initiate the export process. Here you can choose the format in which you'd like to export your data, such as CSV or PDF, depending on what suits your requirements best. Click your preferred format and watch as ClickUp compiles your data for export. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully exported your ClickUp workspace. This method ensures you have a tangible copy of your tasks and projects, ready for whatever purpose you need. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.